Hello there and welcome to Blank Mania. My name's Neville, aka Super Nev. I hope you've been enjoying the content of my videos so far. So in today's video I'm going to be making... Sorry, what's that? Alright, okay, so forget what I was saying, because apparently I'm not going to be making what I thought I was going to be making. We've got an order come through and we're going to be making 2 pieces of wall art for a young lady by the name of Jess. So stick around, keep watching, and see what we make for her. Alright, so here's the finished product. Here's the other one. It's always such a good day when the products finish up looking so nice. If you haven't already, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take it easy.